How to create a thin line pattern design such as this in Photoshop, spirals or random fills. Go to File and New and just create a custom document 30 by 1000. So you've got very thin and very long design, and create. Now with this design, what you can do, you can fill it. So if you go to Edit and Fill, and then you go here and you can select the color. Now I'm just going to go with pink or red and click OK, and then click OK. And now I've got my design there. However, if I go here and say Edit and Define Pattern, it will not work. Not in the way you expect. You will just get a pixel by pixel, 1 pixel by 1 pixel pattern, which is quite small. But what you can do to get around that is you can go here, go to the zoom tool and just zoom in. You can see you've got all these pixels here. Go over here and select the eyedropper tool. Now, of course, I know the color for this, but I'm just going to click on this to get the color. So just select that. Once you've done that, what you can do, you can go over here. Just click on this and you can see, right, you've got here 344 or 255, whatever you want to go with. I'm just going to go here, 255. I'm just going to change it by 1. So it's very subtle. 254. So you've got that, 254 now, and click OK. Now I can go here, and I'm just going to use one of the brushes here, the pencil tool. It's a nice tool. Just click that. Just 1 pixel. Just 1 pixel. Just change that. And that's it. You've changed it. Now, if you go to Edit and Define Pattern, you'll see now you get a nice thin long line. That's what you want, not just a 1 by 1 pixel. Click OK. So you can see now you've got your pattern there. Well, you can now go back to a document, and this document's, let's see, image size, I'm using 2660 by 1536. Simply go to Edit and Fill, and then you can go here, instead of color, go for pattern. So there's pattern, and you can select that line. Got that line there. Now, of course, you can make the line longer. You could make it 5000 by 30 or by 20. So select that, and then you can go for scripts. So I'm going to go with spiral, and it will create a design like that. Now, if you click OK and you don't change the color randomization here, you don't change that setting, if you keep it all the way down to 0 and this one down to 0 as well, what you'll end up with is a solid color. You need to change the color randomness. So push that up and push brightness up, and then you'll get this color. And you can also change the scale, so you can make bigger or smaller. I'm going with 0.38. Now, it's very odd the way the scale works, as well as the spacing. You'll notice here I've got -28. You can change it and tweak it. You might get different settings, but go with these things, -28, and you should find you get this design. So click OK, and there it is. Nice spiral design created using those lines. So it's bursting outwards in a spiral design. But you can do other things as well. So you don't have to just use that. You can go to Edit and down to Fill. And you can go down here, again, Pattern, Custom Pattern, make sure you use that one. And you've got here Random Fill. That's another option. So Random Fill, select that one. Again, you've got that script, everything's on. Click OK. And you can see now you've got this design where it's all just scattered across, making confetti across your page. Again, change the density to the max, so 10. Also the color randomness again, and click OK. Now the end result might not be exactly as the preview. You've also got other options, Edit and Fill, and you can go for pattern again, Random Fill, but Symmetry Fill. That has got 32 different settings. So Symmetry Fill, click OK, and you can see the result there. Now I've gone here for the max, here -27, -21. You can vary it, just change the settings and you'll get different results. And again, color randomness, boost that up and click OK. And you can see the design is added on top of the existing design. If you want that to be cleared, simply go to Edit and Fill it with white or black, a solid color. But you've got that design there. Again, Edit and Fill, and you can apply it again and again to create multiple additions to this design. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.